What's going on, everyone? On 16th of August, Friday, what we do every Friday is we look at Bitcoin, see where price currently is, what kind of levels I'm expecting to be tested, and basically what is the overall direction. Okay. Now, before I proceed, I just want to share with you, if you are one of the people in our free Telegram channel or in the premium channel, you see me using the Fibonacci tools all the time. So I post daily euro dollar analysis completely for free, and there's always certain levels marked out on my chart. All those levels are based on Fibonacci. All my entries are based on the Fibonacci tool as well. And the best thing about Fibonacci is that no matter what kind of strategy you're using, you can always implement Fibonacci to give you more precise entries. And this is exactly what I use to find my entries in the market, and not even entries, but sometimes even reversal levels or key levels in price. And this is what I'm going to show you in today's video, how well the Fibonacci tool works even in the crypto market. Okay, before I proceed though, if you are interested to learn how to use the Fibonacci tool correctly, you can take advantage of our course. I'll leave a link below this video, and you can read more about the course here. You can see some of the videos included in the course. But like I said, a very good tool, an amazing tool that is going to give you help you find more precise entries and key levels in price. So we're gonna start off from the daily time frame here on Bitcoin. Right, we're currently trading around the 58,200 level. Now, if you look at this whole move right here, okay, we've got the low price testing previous highs, okay, forming kind of a lower low. We've got the lower high, and this most recent swing move, where did it end it? Well, it tested again the 61.8 Fibonacci level, okay, and it gave us a long rejection wick. This rejection wick right here, piercing through the 61.8 level and basically testing this previous market structure here as well. Okay, now having such a strong confluence, so previous market structure again with key Fibonacci level, and then we see this type of rejection right here, we were expecting that we're going to see at least some sort of a pullback. Okay, now mind that this is the daily time frame, so this is quite a big move. Looking at the 4-hour time frame, this is what happened next. Now this is the pullback that we just saw on the daily time frame that formed right after the retest of the 61.8 level, which was again on the daily chart. Now we've got this pullback and price has stopped where, right? It started struggling to break above and reach higher values at again the 61.8 Fibonacci level, which we now have from the swing high down here to the swing low, but on the 4-hour time frame. Okay, so we just saw that price reacted again with the 61.8 fib level on the daily time frame. We're now looking at the 4-hour chart. Now many people, as soon as this pullback started forming, many people thought that we're going to see higher values right away. However, I've said in my previous analysis, which you can see on YouTube as well, that since we are testing the 61.8 level and we couldn't break above that level on multiple occasions, we're probably going to see another pullback to the downside before we eventually continue higher. Okay, and like I said, you can check out previous video analysis. If you are in the premium channel, you see me doing these daily videos where we look at Bitcoin as well as some other instruments here that you see in my watch list. But dropping down to the 1-hour chart, okay, so now we have the Fibonacci 2 on that most recent pullback. Okay, and again we formed this pullback, then we have some lower structure right here. Again we have a lower low breaking below this previous low, and again I'm expecting that we're probably going to see another push to the downside, again testing the 61.8 level, which in this case is 54,280 290, right around those levels. Now what is the best way to use the Fibonacci tool? It's best if you use it in confluence with other confirmations. So what am I looking at? Well, I know the overall direction is bullish. Now I just need to find the perfect level where I'll get the best entry in order for me to enter long. Now I think, you know, the 38.2 is also a key Fibonacci level, okay, and we're just testing the 38.2 right now. However, as soon as price tapped into the 38.2, at first it looked like it's breaking below that level easily, and we're probably going to continue down to test the 61.8, and it then kind of reversed and it's trading above the 38.2. However, this price action right here doesn't look like a reversal to me, so that's why I think we're going to have another push to the downside. And what else I want to see in order for me to find a higher probability entry is, you know, I'm looking to the left, and I can see that we've got this previous market structure. Well, just below that market structure, we've got this 61.8 level. So how good of a setup would it be if price comes down here? Again, it leaves a strong rejection wick to the downside, but we get a candle that's closing above the 61.8 level. Well, in this case, we'll take out all stop losses below this market structure right here. We will then test the 61.8 level, and we'll get a good candlestick confirmation for an entry to the upside. Now, in this case, I will be able to place my stop loss just below that, you know, considering how many confirmations we've got. And then I would expect for price to continue higher. And that would mean that we have, let me just delete all that. We've got this initial low. We then have the pullback, okay? We will then form a higher low. And, you know, as soon as we get an entry here and a good confirmation again, we will then expect for price to continue higher and to have enough strength to break above this major structure here on the 1 hour time frame. And that's when I would expect for Bitcoin again to form another bullish leg. So if you like this type of analysis, like I said, there's a lot more information in the course. You know, I'll give you all the key levels, different Fibonacci tools, how to use them, you know, where to use them, and what to use them in combination with. So like I said, very powerful tool. Try and utilize it in your trading. I'm sure you will probably get better results than now. Okay, check out all the links in the description below this video, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. There's videos like this coming out every other day, so a lot of valuable information for all of you. I'll see you guys in the next video.